To learn the numbers 13 to 19, we have to understand that it's the teen numbers. And oftentimes I ask the students if they know anyone who is a teenager, because teen actually means 10. If we take the E out, it says 10. So any teen number has a 10 in it, and all the other numbers jump over the 0. 13. Another thing we need to understand is that each number has a sound. So 13 is very similar to the word 3. TH is the same, so this actually represents a 3 and a 10 for 13. 14, we hear 4, which is a 4 that jumps over the 0 for 14, 4 and a 10. 15 sounds very similar to the word 5. It has the same letter F, 5, so 5 and a 10, 15. 5 jumps over the 0. 16, we hear the word 6. The 6 jumps over the 0. 17, we hear the word 7, so the 7's covering the 0. 18, we hear the word 8, and then the teen is 10, so an 8 and a 10. And then 19, same thing, we hear 9. Teen, 9 jumps over the 0 for a 10. If students say 310 or 10-3, you know they're on their way to understanding the teen numbers. So we head into the practice that looks like this. So we say the numbers randomly so they can get a feel for the numbers. So we start with 15. Fifth, we know that 5 and 15 start with F, so that goes here, 15. 18, well, we hear the 8, we hear the teen, so we write it down here. Teen finishes with the letter N, so we really want to pronounce that N really well for the next steps coming up. 16, 6, we hear the 6. 13, thir is the same as 3. Teen is 10, so the 3 goes there, 13. 17, we hear 7. 14, we hear the 4, and we add the 10, 10 and 4, 14 and 19. Once we have them all, we can read 13, 14. We try not to go in order here. 16, 18, we can point to the numbers randomly. 15, 19, 17. We don't read them in order here to force the understanding of the numbers and the words correctly. After we understand that, we randomly say the numbers in order, writing them in a column. So 15, 17, 13, 19, 14, 16, 18, and then we read them again, 15, 17, 13, 19, 14, 16, 18. If there are mistakes, sometimes students will say 14 is 40. They might write 40 here. That's very common. This is coming up with the sound T, which means groups of 10, 40, 14. But for this step, we just focus on the teen means 10. We need to have a 10. The 4 jumps over the 0, so we keep it with that.